Yeah, like you ain't ate in 5 days or so.
Oh my god.
I like them noises. Give me these fries, bro.
For what?
Cause you doing too much, bro. These fries is not that good for you to be making all this noise,
yes,
bro.
they
No,
is.
they not. But since you making all this noise and stuff, like, what's up?
Oh! What's up with it, love crew? Welcome back to He Loves OTV FFSB, and I'm back with another freaking banger video today, baby. Today, y'all, I'm going to be pranking Maz once again. I'm going to be doing the making love sounds while eating prank on him, y'all. So he's on the way right now with my food. I got some water burgers, so we just gonna be like eating, but he not gonna know the camera is gonna be on the whole entire time, and I'm just gonna be like, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna be making love sounds, like I'm gonna be acting up. So I just know this is gonna be super funny because he's not gonna expect this. He's gonna be like, what's wrong with you? He's just gonna be like, what's wrong with you? Like, I know the food is not that good, but yeah, y'all, I can't wait. Before we get into this video, make sure you do me a big favor: like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell if you're new to the channel, because the Love Crew is best for our crews. Prank Wars is back and better, y'all. So let's get straight into it.
Oh, girl.
Which one was which?
Look.
Bro, did you check it?
No, I didn't.
Is it wrong?
No, you shouldn't.
I'm gonna kick your ass.
Don't kick my ass, kick their ass. I told them exactly what you want, nigga. That's the right one. Half good.
Yeah, barbecue sauce on it.
That's mine.
Oh, okay.
That's right.
Mm-hmm.
Now I apologize, man. You was waiting on the food.
Respect for the game is honor. You sign on to the army.
My bad.
What drink you get?
Powerade.
Get a medal. But killing in another game, you go to jail.
What's about for you?
It's honorable.
What you asked for?
It's not honorable in the war in the street. It's like snitching. Like, you're a cop and you snitch. That's honorable.
A Coke, right?
You're a criminal and you snitch.
Don't
now
hurt me.
now you're trying to put somebody in jail instead of yourself that you can get money with. No honor in that. So whether it's money, women, cars, honor comes first. Respect for the game is honor.
What you want to watch?
Anything on?
I don't know what to watch.
Oh,
I've been looking for like 15 minutes straight.
what you got on here? You don't got my Netflix on here no more?
I do, but they keep on like logging me out.
Hit update? Oh, I'm traveling. Hit I'm traveling.
Man. Still.
Send it. Send it.
Send email or text?
Text.
I need to look divided into. How was your day?
Good day.
A day?
Yep. Got so much shit to do. Tomorrow gonna be even worse.
Why?
Another day. Got a lot of shit to do.
Like what?
Make clothes and shit.
It's so good.
Hey, yo, that's not food. I'll go grab that. Give me the money. Go grab that. Oh, Chris, in the back.
Girls, you okay?
This is good, bro.
It shouldn't be that fucking good.
What you mean?
No, I mean, it should be good, but it shouldn't you making all these noises and stuff like...
Oh, yes.
How much money you trying to lose? Nah.
It's good.
Okay, it's good.
Yeah, it's really good. It's not good to you?
What you put on?
Brotherly Love.
Oh, shit.
You watch this? Yeah. Oh my God.
This is my older brother.
No. Bro. What is wrong with you, bro?
What? It's good.
That's good. But why is you over here moaning and making all these extra ass noises? Just eat your food.
He's been holding down at our house since he was 15.
Okay.
Don't look at me.
Bro, is you cool, bro?
Yeah, I know you are.
Yes, I'm cool. I'm very cool, actually. It's hitting a spot.
Get your ass up.
That's
Hey, boy,
cool.
you can't sleep for dreams now, man. You gotta chase it.
You must have been real hungry or something, bro. I don't know. Yeah, like you ain't ate in 5 days or something.
Oh my God.
My mom says her
Oh,
first
yes.
word is Kobe. Our dad was a musician. He was the biggest 76
What?
man ever.
What is you trying to do?
Stop, rock,
What do you mean?
they were our heroes. Sergio was ranked one of the
Why is you making all these noises?
Because it's good. What you mean?
Ain't nothing in the world that good.
Jack.
I don't give a fuck what you eat. No, I don't care.
Jack, get up.
Jude. Oh.
Alright, bro.
I grew up listening to all the pretty greats. Just Scott, Boyce and
Shit.
He was a soul child. Our dad used to play drums for a lot of
My God.
When I
Oh
was
my
a kid,
God.
I used to sit in on some of the sessions.
Look,
I've been hooked on music.
I ain't never seen you do nothing like this ever in my life, bro.
Do what?
Why you keep on saying, oh my God, like, bro, wait, bro.
Jack, come on, man.
Nothing. I'm just enjoying the food.
Enjoy it.
I am.
What?
It's like,
Oh my God.
please,
Yes.
like 50. Thanks, baby.
Take me some bread. Yeah? How much? Half a man.
I like them noises. You keep on playing. Alright. Wait till we done eating, bro.
Wait.
Got something for you, bro.
I'm just chilling.
Just chill.
He knew better, but to tell you the truth, he probably would have been broke.
Oh my God.
Hey, but so look, it's a girl in there, so when she come
That's
out,
so
she
good.
go right in. She was like, chill with all that. You worry about getting snapped. Alright, let's go. Hey, Keely.
Is that good?
No more. Go ahead, go.
Wow.
That was some skills, huh?
I don't know if I'm supposed to be turned on or... Oh, wait, bro. You over here tripping.
What you mean?
Over here biting your food, moaning and shit, bro. What is wrong with you? That boy fast.
Our neighborhood was divided into two sections, the hilltop and the bottom.
This food good as fuck. It's like, today, I don't know, like today, they just like, they did that big one today. I don't know what it is.
Oh, it's just today, huh?
Yeah, it's just today, like, I don't know.
What happened the other day?
It wasn't hidden like
It's
that.
located in the center of all the drama. Who will always be
Oh, yeah, it's just like that.
who will them
You know what
and us. My two best friends, Katrina,
Oh my God.
Simone. Simone and June have a son.
Bro,
What?
I'm getting hot, bro.
Why you getting
I
high?
don't know. I really don't know.
Plus, I might be
I'm getting hot, bro.
Why you getting high?
I don't know. You got some napkins? They ain't put no napkins in the bag?
I got that for the video.
Appreciate it.
Take your hoodie off if you hot.
Bro, I don't know, bro. Why you keep doing that, bro? You making me hot. Stop. Hey, you done eating, bro.
What?
Hell no.
What?
Give me this, bro. You doing too much, bro. We're eating in a minute. So you
No.
doing too much right now. I'm gonna put this over here.
I'm doing what? What am I doing?
You know what you over here doing, bro? Making all these freaky ass noises.
I'm
and shit,
hungry.
Spending all this time in the library.
bro. Yeah, like you ain't ate in 5 days or something, bro. What is wrong with you?
I've ate all day. It's 4 o'clock.
That's cool. You ain't gonna eat until 10, nigga.
No.
Cause why is you over here making all these noises, bro?
This is good.
That's good that it's good, bro. I'm glad that you eating and stuff.
You did your homework.
But all these extra ass noises while you biting your food and shit like that, like,
What's wrong?
why is you making all these noises?
Because I'm enjoying the food. I'm eating. What you mean? What noises? Like, I'm just eating.
Right.
Right.
Yeah, right.
So I'm tripping.
Yes, you're tripping very bad. How you get your food and I can't get my food?
Bro, I'm not making
Don't take my food.
I'm not making no noises, nigga. You over here talking about some look.
How you take my food?
Everybody talking about some shit. This shit good.
It is good.
It's not that fucking good, bro.
I'm gonna steal away your fries. Don't.
I ain't even gonna say nothing, bro.
See you later.
Damn. Stop trying me for real.
No. You over here trying yourself. Low!
What?
Bro, what is wrong with you? These fries is not that good, bro. These is my fries. I know they ain't that good, bro. Stop it, bro. For real.
Just because you don't think they that good don't mean they not that good. We got different taste buds.
Whatever.
Can I enjoy my food?
Bro, here, bro.
You just gonna steal my shit?
Here, bro. I'm about to bring it back to you. Here.
Shit. Fuck. Oh, yes, daddy. Wait. Stop watching me.
Bro, I'm finna take your shit again, bro.
Oh, yes, daddy. Get in the spot.
What?
What?
Bro, stop playing, bro. What is you on, bro?
It's hitting the spot.
That's cool that it's hitting the spot. I'm finna hit the spot in a minute. Keep on.
It's cool, bro. You definitely could have told me. Think so? Yeah, you can do
fuck.
Look, I already know, man. We got walks on this Friday, and you gotta worry about. You got walks to worry about. I don't worry. Come on, man. And I know you heard about Nick Richards coming into Georgia. You better step your game. So?
You ain't even drunk or nothing, bro. Like, what's going on, bro? You over here doing the absolute most, bro. Chill.
All the stuff is gonna be there, bro. Getting in my bag, dropping 50 on the couch.
She's still over here going.
Look,
Yes,
man,
Daddy.
he won't bust all of us up and drop 50 if you don't lock him up. That's all I'm saying.
Bro, I think I'm done, bro. I don't even want to eat this no more. I'm trying to eat something else, bro.
No, we're not done eating.
Nah, we done.
Why we gotta be done? I'm still hungry.
You ain't eat none of your fries.
You took them away.
Alright, you got them back. Nah, give me them hoes back. Give me them hoes back, bro. Give them back. Give them back. Come on, bro. Bro, I'm not finna be playing with you.
Fuck.
Low.
No.
Stop playing, bro. Why is you
so
playing?
good.
Yo, you seen that boy Chris Carr?
Bro, give me these fries, bro.
For what?
Cause you doing too much, bro. These fries is not that good for you to be making all this noise,
Yes,
bro.
they
No, they
is.
not. But since you making all this noise and stuff, like, what's up?
What's up?
You done eating?
No.
You not?
No.
Why?
Why I gotta be done?
You sure you not done eating?
I'm sure. I'm positive. Why I gotta be done?
Cause, bro, hurry up and eat, bro.
For what?
We got something to do.
What we gotta do? What we gotta do?
You gonna see.
He got some important shit to do, man.
Stop watching me.
I got responsibility, man. I'm
I got the hiccups.
Block ASAP, nigga. Gotta go to the music school now.
Oh, I like that. Oh, I like that.
Like what?
Well, I'm trying to make beats.
Like what?
Right.
The fries?
Yeah.
What else you like?
I like you too.
Like I was saying,
You
know
cute, you
my
cool.
Maybe my pops, so I got them hands. Where's your books?
Nah, but this a prank.
What?
This.
What's this?
Me moaning. It was a prank.
Oh, shit.
The camera was on the whole entire time.
That hoe on?
Yeah.
I thought that hoe was just sitting there. That's fucked up, man. That's so fucked up. That's crazy. I could have been digging in my nose, all kind of stuff.
Why would you dig your nose?
What you mean?
Why would you dig your nose?
I probably had a boogie in my nose.
Boy. Yeah, it got everything.
That's fucking crazy, man.
Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. How I do?
You done eating?
No. I'm gonna eat for real this time.
Okay.
For real.
Oh, you wasn't eating for real?
I mean, I was, but you know.
That hoe almost gone.
I know, but I was like eating slow. Like this hoe would have been gone. Y'all like, comment, subscribe for more pranks, y'all. And I'll see you on next video.